Learn to understand and speak English naturally with Script Looper using loop repeat, speed control, AI context translation, and instant AI answers for anything you don't understand, all with endless native YouTube content. On the Script Looper home screen, tap All Recommended Channels. This will open the YouTube Picks blog, where you can find and select videos that match your level and interests. If there is a problem with the subtitles or audio in the subtitle panel, check the settings and make any necessary changes. Tap the Translate button, then select a 5-minute section. A context-based translation will automatically be generated in your language and displayed alongside the original subtitles. You can continue studying, including using the loop playback features while the translation is being generated. While a subtitle is playing or selected, tap Z to loop that subtitle.
About how I was unfaithful to her. She goes on for 5 pages about how I was unfaithful to her. She goes on for 5 pages about how I was unfaithful to her.
Tap D to move to the next subtitle and loop it.
Oh my God!
We were on a break!
Oh my God!
Tap Z again to turn off the loop.
Oh my God! If you say that one more time, I'm gonna break up with you.
Tap Pause Play to pause the video, and tap it again to resume playback.
I can begin to trust you again.
If the speaker is talking too fast and you are having trouble understanding, use the angle bracket buttons to slow the video down to 0.75x.
Full responsibility, I can begin to trust you again.
Or 0.5x speed.
Responsibility, I can begin to trust you again. Full responsibility, I can begin to trust you again. Full responsibility, I can begin to trust you again.
If the subtitles and audio are out of sync, use the buttons at the bottom of the keypad while the video is playing. You can extend or shorten the audio segment by 0.1 or 0.5 seconds until it matches the subtitle.
Does that seem like something you can do? Does that seem like something you can do?
If there is anything you do not understand, such as a word, expression, or grammar point, simply highlight it and tap the Ask pop-up. Script Looper will immediately generate an explanation in your language, including the meaning and context, nuances, grammar, and example sentences. You can also tap an English sentence and then tap C. The sentence will be read aloud repeatedly using 3 different voices.
We were on a break, so I thought it was okay to see other people.
We were on a break, so I thought it was okay to see other people.
Tap D to move to the next sentence and have that sentence repeated.
They decided to go on a break and think about their relationship.
They decided to go on a break and think about their relationship.
They decided to go on a break and think about their relationship.
Tap C again to stop the repetition. You can also highlight part of a subtitle and tap X to loop just that part of the video.
How I was unfaithful to her. How I was unfaithful to her. How I was unfaithful to her. We were on a break!
Or highlight multiple subtitles and tap X to loop the entire selected section.
Oh my God! If you say that one more time, I'm gonna break up with you.
We were on a break!
Oh my God! If you say that one more time, I'm gonna break up with you.
We were on a break!
Oh my God! If you say that one more time, I'm gonna break up.
Tap X again to turn off the loop. Even while looping a selected section with X, you can still adjust the sync and change the playback speed while the video is playing.
This breakup was not all my fault, and she said...
If you stop studying and want to continue later, tap here to jump straight back to where you left off.
If you accept full responsibility...
You can also take review quizzes based on the questions you asked while studying. After answering each question, you can check the correct answer and explanation. You can set a daily study time goal and track your daily and weekly study time. Tap the user guide to find videos, posts, and other resources explaining how to use Script Looper. Tap here to quickly go to the home screen or channel blog and to check your study time.